Welcome back to my channel and welcome back. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Vlogmas 2018. This is day number 5 of the unboxing of the advent calendars. I'm going to go straight into our Airwick calendar that we have right here. And I'm going to look for day number 5. And I found day number 5, but I've lost my scissors. I found them, yay. So, in day number 5, we have got the scent. It's a different one! It's the one I've been waiting for, and it is the apple one, and it is red. Not the apple one, it is the mulled wine one, and it is red. Mulled wine, a woody and spicy fragrance designed to create a cosy and festive atmosphere. Lovely. Just had a bit of an itch then. Lovely! So, I believe it's day number 5 already. So, next up I'm gonna go into the one I made myself, which is this Body Shop one. Well, it's not that, it's the Body Shop packaging from last year. It's not got Body Shop products in it. In fact, it doesn't have one Body Shop product in it. But it does have in here. What am I hearing? I know what it is, obviously, because I made it. It's a nice little cute little pair of earrings. These earrings are from Primark, or Primark to most normal people. I think these are really, really cute. Like, they're just like hoops, but they're like more... Oh, they're actually really, really pretty. You can't actually see on camera because of the lighting, but they've got like 2 glitter strips and then some little diamante, like a strip in the middle, and they're just really, really nice and pretty. And I thought, do you know what? I can wear them. I can wear them throughout Christmas if I want. So that's why I popped them in there, and now I'm going to move on to the sleek one. Yes. And day number 5 is right about here, and it is written. It's a written word, which is why it might have been slightly more difficult for me to find. Ow! Just stabbed myself with the scissors. Oh, it's a good job my adrenaline's going, and I'm so excited, and also a little bit drunk. Oh, cheers, my loves. Ching ching. Yes. Okay. So we have. What do we have? We have got, it's a lip pencil, which is actually exciting. It says twist up lip pencil in deep cherry. I just want to have a, oh wow, it's like a plummy kind of colour. I know it says like deep cherry, but it is quite plummy. I like that. And also, now that I'm ginger, I feel like the plum colours will look really cute with my ginger hair. I don't know if you can see it, but it's ginger. Love it. So moving on, I'm now going to go into the Soap and Glory one. Day number 5. I've seen day number 7, but we're not on day number 7. Oh, I've seen day number 5. I've seen her. My accent changes literally from sentence to sentence. And it's, yeah, and I'm aware. And nobody's actually ever said anything about it, which is quite interesting. Because you know these trolls like to comment on anything they can. So, this is Pillow Plump, it says. So it's a plumping lip gloss, I'm guessing. It just says lip gloss on it. But because it's called Pillow Plump, I'm guessing. And then it says XXL. Just show you what I'm seeing. So it says Pillow Plump, and then it also says XXL on it. So I'm guessing this is like a plumping one. Oh, when it's not sealed, so I'm going to put some on. Smells like chocolate. I'm not feeling any tingling or anything. I don't know if it definitely is. Oh, it's Sexy Mother Pucker. So is Sexy Mother Pucker, is that plumping? I don't know. You guys will know. Leave me comments down below and let me know. Oh, according to this lip gloss will tingle. It's not tingling, but possibly because I had a lipstick on underneath, that could be why. I don't know. I'm not bothered either way. It's nice. We'll see whether my lips get any bigger. Oh my god, are they getting bigger? Or were they just this big to start with? I don't know. I'm not actually very sure. Anyway, let's move on to the next one. going to the L one that is right here. Oh, literally, as soon as I looked at the calendar, I looked at day number 5. So let's go into day number 5. Oh my gosh, something has fallen down. That must be from day number 16. Get back in there. Stay where you belong, you little monkey. Oh, I'm seeing a Benefit product right now. Give me some. Gimme, 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 gimme brow. Yeah. This is the Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. I do think I have one of these. Super, super cute. It comes with instructions and everything. I think this is full size as well. Like, I think this is the size that you get. I've definitely got one of these and I haven't used it yet. So we'll be trying that out. And now my lips are tingling. My lips are tingling now. Oh, exciting! I'm really excited. I wonder if they've got another Sexy Mother Pucker in there. Because, I mean, there's 25 items in that. Well, 24, I think, in that one. So maybe there might be another one. I'm excited about it, though. I'm excited. Yay! So, also excited about the Gimme Brow. I just want my brows microblading, so give me that. But never mind. Cheers! Moving on to the Glossy Box one. Since we're already at this side, we might as well. Oh, number 5. Popped right out at me there, didn't she? Well, let's open number 5 and see what we've got. I am sorry that I change my accent all the time. It's just something that I do. I feel like it's a bit more entertaining, do you know what I mean? Also, if there's any like TV/movie producers out there, give me a call and we'll sort something out. Alright. Moving on. So, this is, have I got one of these? Oh my god, I know what this is. I have to show you this just because I've been using this a lot and I really, really like it. Like, I've worn it for the past few days. And it's this, isn't it? Yes, it is. It's this lipstick. I got this either in a calendar. I either got this in a calendar or in one of my boxes, and it's in the shade Bossy. And I really, really like it. It's just like a nude, but it's like, it's hard to explain. It's like almost a brownie nude, but it's nice. And I've been wearing it quite a lot. Just thought I'd tell you that. Just thought I'd tell you. And it's the same brand. But I'm guessing that this is a mascara maybe? Greater than. Oh my god, it doesn't say anything on it. Oh, it's a mascara. Yeah, greater than mascara. Ooh, so that's interesting. So I will definitely try that out. I have been trying to not wear lashes as much. As you can see, like, I've not got lashes on today. I've only got a little bit of mascara on, actually. But I have been trying to not wear lashes as much. But I am probably going to be wearing them quite a bit over this next Christmas period, just for, like, looks and stuff. But, yeah, I might try that mascara out. Well, I will try it out. I just don't know when. Moving on. I think we have 2 left. 2, 4, 6. Yes. Well, let's go into the Body Shop one. And day number 5 is right here. Oh, the Body Shop one says, save water, cut your shower time down. Oh gosh, you see, that's the problem. I get baths. And I know that ain't saving no water. And I'm sorry. I genuinely am. Oof. Let's pretend I didn't just admit that. I get showers, I don't get baths. So, I am now seeing Ethiopian Green Coffee Firming Body Cream. Oh, that smells different. Is this similar to the scrub that I got? Because I feel like I'm getting a similar scent. Was it a green tea scrub? I can't even remember. Green coffee. But I like it. Very different. Again, not had it, not tried it before. I think this is the same like range as the Japanese, what is it called? The Japanese one, and it's really nice. Japanese something is what it's called, and it smells amazing. I've never smelled anything like it in my life. Not even that bum cream from yesterday. Like, honestly, something. It's amazing. Anyway, that's very, very cute. I'm excited to try that out. Let's move on to the Look Fantastic one. Oh, I think it might be some sort of pen. Like pen pencil type thing. With an ultra slim brow definer from BBB London, is that a thing? BBB London? Or just, I don't know. Oh, let's just see what the shade's like. I can get down with that, I reckon. Probably not going to come off on camera because the lights are so bright. The lights are so bright. I think one of my dogs has come up and I probably scared her away without seeing. But yeah, so we've got a brow definer, exciting. Not had one of them yet, have we? Not got a brow definer yet, so that's interesting. Very exciting. So far, I'm really pleased because I haven't got many items that I like already had or have already got. I know we're only on day 5, but you know what I'm saying. So thank you so much for watching this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I love you guys so much. Please do make sure that you are subscribed because we have got every single day unboxings of the advent calendars and also another Vlogmas video up later on. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah. Bye!